and working as a system administrator at Nally Gorakhpur. This is my the next video series where I am going to explain about the benefits of cloud. Cloud provides a system where you can deploy your workloads on the virtual infrastructure rather than the physical infrastructure. The benefits of the virtual infrastructure, you can increase the capacity on demand. So it provides the benefit to reduce the complexity of the physical infrastructure, manage the backups, manage the physical servers, manage the physical switches, and such is the not to provide the easier way to manage. But if you are going to the cloud system, you can only focus on your services rather than the physical entities, server, switches, etc. Suppose that if you are going to host your own web server, then just need a web server instance, uploads your websites into the virtual instance, and bound your specific networks with your web server. Not required to aware of the physical entities where it exists and what service will come from where, not aware to know to you. Okay, so just go to your web server, host your websites and use this services. So this provides the very scalable, robust and flexible facility from the cloud. The many companies move their infrastructure into cloud for access the benefits of the scalability and maintain the service availability all time and maintain the SLA of the parties, because the SLA is the most important part in the server area. If you are going to host your websites and not required to more than 10,000 customers hits per day, but what will happen once your customer will increase to 10,000 to 50,000, so required the some increase the capacity of your web server. At the point of view the physical entity, it's not the easier to increase the capacity of your web server without downtime of your servers. But if you are using the cloud environment, without down your web servers, you can increase the capacity of your web server in few clicks. Sure, this is the major advantage of the cloud. And the most advantage of the cloud is the disaster recovery. Suppose that your physical entity face the fire problems or disaster problems, then not easier to recover or restore or maintain the service availability easily. But if you are deploy your workloads, servers and services into the cloud, you can easily shift your clouds from uh, one to another platform easily, which maintain the service availability. Sure, cloud provide the flexible way to take the backups, maintain the service availability, and provide your service in very convenient and easiest way. And your administrator will be easily manage your web servers as a virtual entity rather than a physical entity. So this is the major benefits of the cloud system. Thank you very much. You will be wait for my next video on the cloud system.